the 2014 Nissan Xterra. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, skid plates, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.